I think I've been looking at the camera.
Oh, again. Restart it.
No, we can.
Look at the dresser. I'm looking at the second dresser handle.
Okay. Which one's the second one for you?
That one. The right one. Are you gonna restart it or no?
Restart what?
The camera.
Should we?
Yeah. Because we like messed up.
I told you to play it. You're like, no. You should be excited, shouldn't you?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
We can edit this out, right?
No. It's in the middle. Dude, we're eating Cheez-Its. Let's watch New Moon.
I want to watch Twilight.
Okay, but you know I like to watch New Moon when we eat Cheez-Its.
Where are you looking again?
Oh, fragments.
Nuh-uh, you can take the audio out. Now we got it. Anyways, where am I supposed to
I hate Cheez-Its.
Just eat once. Every time. But
Yeah, that's nasty.
anyways, where am I supposed to look?
Like fire.
That really stunk.
Yeah.
That really stunk, Charlie.
Like Jesus. Because like Edward leaves her, and so Jacob steps in, and he's like the best man ever because he's just sexy. Like look, like I mean, just
These violent.
like in this movie, he cuts his hair and his abs, like oh, it's just ridiculous. I'm probably not gonna like it. Interesting. Review.
No nexting.
No,
It'll be the part where it shows me that.
I keep forgetting about my voice and I sound like a freaking
Candy, it's how you sound.
dying duck.
But it sounds how you sound.
Not always. Gosh, I freaking love New Moon. Oh. You know why I like this though? It's because like Edward leaves her. So then Jacob steps in. And he's like sexy.
And then the triumphs die. Power.
You know what I'm talking about?
Which is
like
kiss.
who leaves their girlfriend like that? And on top of that, like Jacob is just so much better for her. You know what I'm talking about? You're gonna take off your shirt. You're gonna take off your shirt.
No, forget it.
Take the shirt off.
No more buddies.
Take it off.
Your head. Sorry. You're apologizing for bleeding.
I want to see, shoot.
Oh my gosh. Get him, Jacob. Get him.
Stop! You can't hurt each other without hurting me.
No. Just let it happen. Just let him beat the crap out of Edward so y'all can be together and be happy. Just let it. Just let them fight. Obviously, Jacob's gonna win. Just end up with him. Be with the guy that's right for you. You need to stay with your family. You need to be happy. He's way better looking than Edward. Ugh. No, just Edward, give it up. Oh, don't you think she should just end up with Jacob? Like,
Actually, I was rooting for her to go with Edward and marry each other.
I don't even know you anymore. I thought we were all this growing up together, sisters, and what? No. Push me out the bed, I said.
I have one.
Dang it, we can make a do it.
And stop making a mess!
God, this is my room. You were gonna eat him anyway.
No, maybe.
Each other without hurting me.
But just let them fight. Come on now. Ugh. She should totally just stop being complicated. Be with Jacob. He's way better looking, and she could stay with her family. Shouldn't have to be a blood-sucking freaking demon. She could just be normal and be happy, and he is gorgeous. I don't know why she's freaking being difficult. I mean, right?
Actually, I was hoping that Edward would end up with Bella because they're just meant to be.
What? They're what?
They're meant to be.
Oh my gosh! Team Edward? Team Edward? I don't even know you anymore after all this 17.